I don't really have much to say about the Divergent series Allegiant, so I'm just going to make two drinks. Alright. Hello everybody, welcome back to Drinks and a Movie. Chris Hamker here. Today we'll be talking about the Divergent series, Allegiant. Again, I don't really have much to say about it. It's kind of boring, it's kind of dull. It's the third in the series, book series, young adult series. So what I'm going to do is make two drinks, the pure and the damaged. So if anybody's familiar with the movies or the books, they'll understand what that means. I'm doing a drink called Brain Damaged, and I'm doing a drink called Pure Passion. So, first one, Brain Damaged. And you'll understand why it's called Brain Damaged, because it's 2 parts Yeuger, 1 part gin, and 1 part vodka. And that's it. Put into a glass with ice and stir it up. And kill some brain cells. Let's try it. Delicious. Everyone should try this. Okay, let's put that off to the side. Okay, so the next drink I'm going to make is called Pure Passion. And Pure Passion is 2 parts passion fruit, 4 parts sparkling wine. I picked Prosecco, a half part triple sec, a half part lime juice, all poured into a shaker over ice, shaken, and this is the best part, you rim your glass with sugar, salt, and chili powder. Chili powder gives it a nice little bit of kick with lime on the rim to make it stick. So, and here we go. All right, let's try this drink. It's pretty good. A little chili powder gives it a little bit of kick. I like it. It's a nice summer drink. Pure Passion. Cheers, everybody. You know the funny thing about this, I had to get passion fruit juice from Whole Foods. And in the parking lot, I almost got run over by 3 Priuses. I'm just kidding. Priuses don't have enough power to run somebody over. Alright, so we're talking about Allegiant, directed by Robert Schwenke. I think that's how you say his name. Starring Shailene Woodley, Theo James, Miles Teller, Naomi Watts, and Jeff Daniels. Again, not much to say about this movie. It's not great. It's actually kind of dull for a sci-fi young adult action movie. It's directed fine, I guess. It's acted fine, except for actually Jeff Daniels and Naomi Watts, who are great actors. They found a way to make them not very good. I don't know whether they were trying to overdo it for the movie or underdo it, or had no idea what the movie was about because they didn't read the books or really gave a shit. I don't know. Oh, dear God. Nope. Let's not do that anymore. But the movie itself wasn't really that good. Like I said, it's kind of boring. And you know what stood out more than anything else is this movie had a lot of background information that you probably should know going into it. Otherwise, it would be a little confusing and kind of all over the place. And it reminded me, and it also was wall-to-wall green screen and CGI, and it reminded me a lot of a movie that critics panned, totally hated, that came out a couple weeks ago called Gods of Egypt. It's a movie that I didn't really mind so much. I thought it was at least entertaining, it was fun, it took the subject matter and tried to make an entertaining, romp of a movie. Wall-to-wall green screen and special effects. Kind of had to have a bit of background knowledge on the subject matter to really enjoy it. But it was fun. And what a lot of the critics are complaining about that movie is the bad CGI and stuff, and that's what this one had. Allegiant, tons of CGI, tons of green screen, and this is going to be more of a video about how people are shitting all over Gods of Egypt. I really hope they shit all over this movie because it had the same problems and was boring. At least Gods of Egypt was exciting and fun and kind of had fun with its material instead of being so dour and serious about everything. Poor Jeff Daniels had no idea what was going on half the time with the green screen. I love Jeff Daniels, but he was really lost, I felt, half the time, you know, in this fake environment. I mean, I like Shailene Woodley, I like Miles Teller, I like the people in this, and it was just not compelling or interesting at all, and I just didn't give a shit. Alright guys, so to sum up, don't make this drink. Oh god, it's awful. Do make this drink. Pretty good. And totally skip Allegiant. It's boring. It's just, you know, it's just, yeah. Oh god, I hate to say this, but who really gives a shit? So, thank you so much for joining me, everybody. Have a drink on me. Subscribe down here at the bottom if you enjoyed this, and I will see you later. Cheers, everybody.